हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू दिस एमबीए पॉडकास्ट। मेरे साथ श्रेयोशी है। बहुत बढ़िया पैकेज लगा है इनका। शी इज वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट पैकेज गेटर ऑन द कैंपस ऑफ जीआईएम बाय द वे। मैं डिस्क्लोज नहीं कर पाऊंगा बट आई कैन टेल द रेंज। मतलब एचपी जेन्स का एवरेज पैकेज बीट हो चुका है, आप ऐसे बोल सकते हो। एंड शी हैज बीन प्लेस्ड इन जॉनसन एंड जॉनसन बाय द वे। इट्स अ बिग नेम इन द फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री। इट्स अ जाइंट मेरे ख्याल से। माई फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू, व्हाई जीआईएम? कोई दूसरा कॉल वगैरह था, कॉलेजेस थे?
Yeah, I had calls from Great Lakes Institute of Management.
Okay.
I had calls from, I think, IMT Ghaziabad.
Oh, okay.
So I specifically chose healthcare management from GIM because healthcare का अभी जो scenario है in this industry, especially after COVID, people have actually started focusing more on healthcare and healthcare managers are in demand. And also being from a biotechnology background.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So I always wanted to pursue something in healthcare industry. And well, MBA was also one of my
Okay.
interests.
So she's from healthcare. That's the reason she opted for healthcare. But do you think healthcare can be a backdoor entry for JM? lot of people do that, by the way. But yes, you have to be good with the subjects. अगर interest है तो ही लेना. Coming back to this question again. So while your placements, it was happening, you got a PPO, by the way. तो आपका summer internship हुआ होगा.
Yes.
सो आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि जीआईएम में जो हमारा फ्लैगशिप प्रोग्राम है उसकी काफ़ी हवा होती है कि भाई मतलब फ्लैगशिप प्रोग्राम बेस्ट
Definitely.
है ना। फिर आप हेल्थ केयर वाले थे तो मुझे लगता है जॉनसन एंड जॉनसन ने फिर 2 प्रोग्राम बुलाए एंड आपको सिलेक्शन हुआ, फिर आपका पीपीओ बन गया। सो इट वाज एन अम्ब्रेला प्लेसमेंट, इजंट इट?
Yes. So flagship students plus healthcare students. एक पूरा pool था जहाँ से we got selected. And yeah, I successfully converted to PPO among the lot.
सो गाइस, ये ना एक अच्छी बात है। सो इफ यू आर गेटिंग इनटू जीआईएम, लेट्स से हेल्थ केयर हो गया या फिर एनी अदर कोर्स फॉर दैट, जहाँ पे डेफिनेटली इतनी कंपटीशन होती नहीं जितनी फ्लैगशिप के लिए होती है, ऑनेस्टली परसेंटाइल वाइज। एंड इफ यू वर्क रियली हार्ड इनसाइड देन आई थिंक यू विल हैव अ गुड चांस। वाई अम्ब्रेला प्लेसमेंट आपका कुछ अच्छा हो सकता है फॉर श्योर, राइट? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। सो व्हेन यू वर वर्किंग विद जॉनसन एंड जॉनसन फॉर समर इंटर्नशिप, आपके साथ में बाकी कॉलेजेस के भी तो बच्चे होंगे।
Yes.
वो कौन कौन से कॉलेजेस से जरा एक बार बताएंगे आप?
SIBM Pune,
वाओ,
MICA,
ओके।
IIM Shillong, IIM Kohikor,
ओह नाइस।
NMIMS. Yeah.
Wow. So how was the feeling कि यार आई एम कोईकोड के लोग यहाँ पे है? By the way, same stipend, same profile?
Yes, all same.
Cool.
So yeah, definitely I would say बहुत learning opportunity बहुत अच्छा था. And yes, I was kind of on cloud nine also, you can say. I was kind of proud that top India के top 6 MBA colleges में से students are working and we are working almost on similar projects.
And
getting
same
judged,
stipend also.
same stipends,
Nice.
getting judged by the same panels.
Wow.
So that was something really nice.
And जो PPO मिला आप लोगों को, वो पैकेजेस भी सिमिलर ही है मोस्टली, उनके भी आपके भी?
So
देखो यार,
mostly
कोई
similar.
फर्क नहीं है। मतलब अगेन जस्ट टू काइंड ऑफ एक्सटेंड दिस, सो व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड विद जेएम, राइट?
Yes.
व्हेन यू फर्स्ट गॉट एडमिशन यहाँ पे, ये सोचा था कि लाइफ कुछ ऐसा करेगी आगे जाके मेरे साथ?
I came here with a very open mind, honestly.
हाँ.
I did not over expect anything. My expectation was pretty similar, like basic. I knew J&J is coming. Yes, that was a company which kind of influenced me into coming into healthcare management.
True.
But I also know कि opportunities बहुत है, but I can't totally be indulged in one company. I prepared myself very well for the SIPs. I was definitely focused on Johnson and Johnson since day one. I kind of कंपनी के बारे में बहुत रिसर्च किया, पढ़ा। बट आई वुड से कि ऐसा नहीं है कि दैट इट विल बी ऑल लाइक स्पून फेड नहीं होगा कुछ आके। यू हैव टू कीप ऑन वर्किंग ऑन योरसेल्फ, यू हैव टू कीप ऑन अपस्किलिंग। अपॉर्चुनिटीज आएंगे, ग्रैब देम,
राइट?
दैट्स ऑल.
I'm going to ask you one straight up question, don't mind for that, right? Do you think the J&J happened to you because of luck or it was your hard work? You worked hard for it?
I definitely worked hard, but again, I don't know how the shortlisting processes work.
Right.
So,
But when you got a chance, you proved your mettle in your
did
summer
prove.
internship.
Yes, I definitely worked
Summer
very
में,
hard.
right? आपने पक्का मेहनत किया होगा.
Yes.
See, the reason that I'm bringing this point here is that she's from GIM. She's been placed with people from IIM Kozhikode, IIM Shillong. They're like top-notch, institutions in the country. Summer में she worked hard, then she got a final placement, same package, same level मेरे ख्याल से, right? So if you have it in you, you can do it, that's for sure. So when I say that किसी का अगर मान लो कोई बड़ा कॉलेज मिस हो जाता है, शिलोंग मिस हो गया, कुछ हो गया, एंड किसी का अगर ड्रीम ही JNJ है या फिर फार्मास्यूटिकल में जाना है, you can still get into those companies via GIM sort of colleges also. I think that's the message that we want to pass on to the audience. Perfect. How has it been in GIM last 1.5 2 years?
Well, of course, academically, there's so much of learnings.
Academics rigor होता है गोवा में? कैसे academics मतलब समझ में नहीं आया.
Academics,
You guys study, right?
yes, I know stereotype hoga since it's
हाँ,
Goa,
हाँ.
but I think it's actually good here because we know how to balance between academics and party.
Nice.
So, and yeah, there is academics भी बहुत अच्छा है. There are so many variations. There's practical knowledge we can gain. It's not just bookish knowledge here. There are field visits. There are many there are many industry leaders which come for some sessions, talks. We
अभी
have
भी
to
कुछ चल रहा है
interact.
ना आपका नेक्सस वगैरह वहाँ पे
चलता
भी?
रहता है. अगेन इवेंट्स भी चलते रहते हैं. सो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी होलिस्टिक लर्निंग प्रोसेस इधर इन GIM. सो या आई डेफिनेटली डोंट रिग्रेट जॉइनिंग GIM एट ऑल.
By the way, I did not tell you, she's a fresher. She doesn't even have a work ex, so I think that's the bomb, we wanted to talk about in the end, that she's a fresher. Now imagine how superb is this. Shreyo, last question for the day. A lot of people would be watching this video. A lot of people are gunning for GIM or any other college for that matter, right? What sort of things they should be doing in their MBA programs, which are like must? You have fun, that's okay. But कुछ चीजें आपको करनी है as a mentor or a senior. क्या वो चीजें हैं जो आप उनको बताना चाहोगे, because of which they probably do very well in their MBA?
आई वुड से कि कीप अपस्किलिंग. डोंट बी ऑल्सो अपना कंफर्ट जोन में मत रहो. देर आर सर्टन मी कमिंग फ्रॉम हेल्थ केयर, माई ड्रॉबैक्स कुड बी लाइक बेसिक पावर BI and advanced Excel. These are some very technical tools that are used, but these are important. I learned them from scratch because it was needed, it was required. And I would say ki have that networking, I mean that interest of networking with people, because the more you interact, the more you learn. वहाँ पे जाके I interacted with people from IIM Kohikoor, Shillong, and they had a different academic journey that they follow, different tools that they use. So talking to them was definitely very helpful. I'm still connected with them.
Nice.
And वहाँ पे जाके I had connected with mentors. इधर भी when certain leaders come, we interact. So I would say networking is very important in MBA, and upskilling is very important, like I said. Also, academic is important, but
एकेडमिक्स करना होता है. बच्चे तो बोलते हैं MBA में मस्ती चलती है, एकेडमिक्स कौन करता है?
it is important.
It's important.
Is important. You kind of use some tools, various tools in your SIP. मैंने use किया है. Very basic tool it is. So for example, if I say service blueprint is a very basic marketing tool that is used. वो हमें एक क्लास में पढ़ाया, हम समझे, but we don't know if we might use it in future. I did. I used it, and it was a very good slide that my mentors liked. So I would say academic भी important है. So don't just कि
खाली
एक
मस्ती
exam
नहीं होनी
दिया
चाहिए,
है.
पढ़ाई भी होनी चाहिए, because at the end of the day पढ़ाई मैटर करता है. श्रेयो, saying this on camera, huge respect for you, because पहली बात तो आपने PGP बंदों के साथ बैठ के फोड़ा JNJ, बहुत बड़ी बात है. हेल्थ केयर से होके आपने वो फोड़ा. उसके बाद IIM कोईकोड शिलोंग के बच्चों के साथ बैठ के आपने वहाँ से PPO लिया, and you raised the flag high यार for GIM. So super happy for that, and huge respect to you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. That's it from my side. Thank you so very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.